Welcome back to another episode of Uncle Vince Off the Grill. Today we're going to be making a smoked homemade chili in the Pit Boss smoker. Stick around, see how we do it. Okay, in order to get our chili started, we got 1 pound of shaved brisket and 2 pounds of ground beef. It's 93% lean, 7% fat. We don't want a lot of grease in our chili. That's the reason why we use 97 and 3. Okay, now we're gonna add our ground beef and our brisket to the pans, and we're gonna get all that browned, and then we're gonna add some chili seasoning to it to add the flavor to the chili. So we're gonna put the brisket in the pan, and we're gonna put our ground beef in the other pan. Okay, now that we got our ground beef and our brisket cooking in the pan, we're gonna add our onions and peppers to another pan and let them saute a little bit and get them nice and soft. Those onions and peppers, that's 1 large sweet onions and 2 green peppers. And we're just gonna put them in a pan and just want to soften them up. We're not trying to cook them. Okay, now we're gonna add a packet of some McCormick's mild chili season to our brisket. Then we're just gonna let it sit and marinate a little bit. And we done drained all the oil off of the brisket. As you can see, there's no oil on there, so we're just gonna add a packet of this McCormick's chili seasoning to it. Just put the whole pack in there, because all this is gonna go in our beans. It's gonna mix with our other ingredients. But we want our meat to have some good flavor to it. So mix that in like that. Oh, that smells good. Okay, we got our ground beef looking good. We're gonna add 2 packs of the McCormick's mild chili seasoning to that. Then we're just gonna incorporate that chili powder into the meat. And remember, we use 97% lean, so it's not a lot of fat, so it's not really anything to drain off. The last thing you want is some greasy chili. So make sure you use a good ground beef, whether it be Angus or 97% fat-free. When you're making your ground beef for your chili, don't try to make the ground beef so fine to where it's like a hot dog chili. You're gonna have some good little lumps in it, so you can taste the meat in your chili. Okay, our peppers are looking nice and soft. Let's put just a little bit more water in them, just to loosen up that little burn in the bottom, just to get that flavor. Alright, now we're going to show you how to put the chili beans together. Already in the pan, we have 3 2-pound cans of light red kidney beans. We got 1 cup of ketchup, some dry roasted red peppers, some tomato paste. We have 2 cans of Great Northern beans. We have 3 cans of fire roasted tomatoes, and we have about a half a jar of jalapeno peppers. Also, we have the brisket that we made, the ground beef we made, and the onions and peppers. So we're gonna put all that together and then mix it together, and we're gonna put it on the grill and let it smoke for about an hour. So we're gonna add our jalapeno peppers. Our fire roasted diced tomatoes. Our white northern beans. We're gonna add our roasted red peppers, our ketchup, our tomato paste to make it a little thicker. Gonna add our onions and peppers that we sauteed a little bit. Gonna add our ground beef. And in the ground beef, remember we put that chili powder in the ground beef, 1 pack per pound. Then we're gonna add our brisket. With the brisket, we chopped it up a little bit so it'll go a little bit further so it don't seem so big in there. Then we're gonna mix all this together. Alright, we got the chili beans in the smoker. We got the smoker sit on about 300 degrees. We're gonna let them smoke for about 3.5 to 4 hours, and then we'll come and check on them. But we'll stir them in between times. Right now we have our chili beans off the grill, and while you wasn't looking, we were still cooking. We got some bacon, jalapeno, cheddar cheese muffins, and some smoked sausage on the side. All right, now we got that homemade chili with a piece of that bacon, jalapeno pepper, cheddar cheese muffin, cornbread on the side. We're gonna try and see what it do. Mix that cheese up in there. Oh my goodness. That's some good chili right there. I'm not sure if you ever had smoked chili before, but that is truly awesome. Try a piece of that muffin. Look at that muffin. It's got that bacon, jalapeno peppers, and cheddar cheese in it. That's awesome. That's really good. You can taste that bacon, the jalapeno peppers. And it's not overpowering. It has a good flavor combination. That chili is really good. But look, you know what I'm about to say? Y'all want a bite? That's so delicious. I'm not gonna make you jealous and sit here and eat the whole thing in front of you. But look, try the recipe and let us know what you think about it. That's really good. Look at that cornbread. It's got bacon, jalapeno peppers, cheddar cheese. You talking about something good with some chili? So make sure you look at our video on how to make this cornbread. You got 2 for tonight. It's all good. But that chili saying something. What? Take the cornbread, throw it down in there. Mix it all together. Look at that right there. That's how you do it. I promise I ain't making it up. That's real good. Cornbread and chili on a cold winter night. About to be Christmas time. Y'all make sure y'all continue to watch Uncle Vince Off the Grill for more recipes. And to get the cornbread recipe, please check out the other video with the bacon infused jalapeno cheese cornbread muffins. Peace, I'm out, y'all.